Ladies and gentlemen, if you know that you're happy to be among the living, put your hands together for Jesus. I greet on now. You're welcome, everybody. Are you hearing me from up? Another hear me? Another hear me well, Abi? See sound. This guy, DJ D-City, all the way from Lagos, now in come. Don't be all these DJ one that they get for Amarako and Njaba. You go traditional marriage, DJ, go carry red towel, saying name na DJ Snoop Dogg a dog. Traditional marriage, DJ carry 16 speaker, only 2 they work. That one no pay me. The microphone get caught. When they make announcement as MC, they sound like ghosts. You they make announcement, you they hear yourself, they shout people, 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 people. Oh, off, Njaba, women, association. Come on, carry, your rice. The DJ they see they tell me say my brother hold the mic where you they craze. What is it? I ask some Nollywood people then they here. You don't read now for where everybody they track. Even our mothers now they wave hand for lifts. You don't read. Since they say only young girls they wait for lift. Our mothers now both Avalon. My brother I got oh God. I just see Papa for screen now. Nollywood people. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Papa in the building, man. Then they try Nollywood. They're supposed to be magicians. I watch one film, Native Doctor, where they do juju. We are Redeemed Christian Church of God, their handband. The woman they ask him, are you sure this drug will kill my husband? He say, by the grace of God. I tire for now. The one who pay me, one of my senior colleague here, Apama, when he started the art movie new. For part 1, Apama cross main road to go buy something. Moto jam him die for part 1. He supposed die you. For part 2, then they do traditional marriage for their compound. Instead they under canopy, they drink Fanta. So I not just oh God. I not just understand the way they do things for you. Ladies and gentlemen, if you know you're a good Christian and you go to church, let me give you this advice. You see all those people where they put offering inside envelope. I don't like that pattern. I want to change them. I want to drop on an offering for altar, for ground. Because all those people where they carry 100 naira and 50 naira, they come forward to drop for offering. You know good. Because once you carry polymer note, 50 naira, as you fold and drop them for altar, before they run, it goes spread. Everybody go know saying that you drop them. You know, say anywhere we go, we get a Jebo and we get a Jebako. The other guy we come out now, they talk about Lagos. If you see the way, if you pass for window, where Lagos girls they bath. The kind of song Lagos girls they sing it in the bath. You go one follow them bath. Lagos girl they bath. Love me. Na. But all these girls for G, I don't understand. They bath, you be like say then they fight. Agame be sarachine kakwa. Agame. Oh, if you want clap, oh. And I don't pay, and non-refundable. My brother, if you want to clap, you clap. Oh. They tell you. Now the way then they sing the song them for churches. Come to Lagos, you hear our choir. They sing, back up, they back them up well. You hear songs like, Lord, you reign, forever you are the same. Agama mama, back up will give them, mama eh. For where they here, I go in Java. I don't know why that person where they lead chorus and the person where they give them back up, rather than the quarrel. I don't understand. Then they sing song, the backup they sing another thing totally. Oh God. On another song, Eze mugadindu onye wanyi ezitewo dimozia sabakute. In Jabia women, or the maneme madi wanyi simpe eze mujarindu. Onye nabiozo onye nemema eze mujarindu papa le shonye wanyi le oshitamana dimozia shabia tamuyo nono doma They made 2 years and no be. Somebody when know the church go shout, "On me apa lele." Now I'll do this before I leave. The way our mothers then they do things, our parents then, they are very respectful people. The way they snap picture, the way they dance with courtesy. Our mothers then, girls now, this way they bend now, they do like this, do Snapchat, person go hold phone, they do Snapchat, you go see girl, go be like say conversion the whole house, she go do like this. Our mothers now just one position, black and white, no mascara, no Mary Kay, no foundation, no roofing. You see them with their purse like this. True or false? These girls of nowadays, even the way our parents they dance, DJ get any old school music. Our papa carry our mama go party. Our mother they dance with courtesy because they get respect. Watch DJ play. Any old school, all those old school our parents they dance. Watch our mother. Bring her down small. Now she dey shy. Her husband because of say her in wife fine. In dey greet people wey no for party with pride. Watch the man now. DJ play. Hold on. Somebody say now. Somebody say now. Girl wey you never marry. Just to make she escort you go party. She begin manifest. DJ, let's go.
Oh yeah, oh, come by with the beat, oh. My love is your story, oh.
God bless you all. Enjoy the rest of the show.